Hi sir, good day po. I am Eileen Samante from B3A. Here is the rule number 6. It is expressions indicating an amount of money, a space of time, or a unit of measurements takes a singular verb even the form is plural.
So here is the examples. Number 1. 3 miles is too far to walk. 3 miles is too far to walk. So where is the subject in this sentence? Yes, the 3 miles. 3 miles is a kind of a unit of measurement. And we use a singular verb, which is. Okay. Second example. 5 years is the maximum sentence for that offense. 5 years is the maximum sentence for that offense. Okay. So where is the subject in this sentence? Yes, the 5 years. 5 years is a space of time. And of course, we use a singular verb, which is.
Rule number 7. The verb agrees with the positive subject, not with the negative. Okay, for example, it is his attitude, not his ideas, that invites criticism. Again, it is his attitude, not his ideas, that invites criticism. Okay. So, what is the positive subject in the sentence? Yes, the phrase it is his attitude, and the negative subject is not his ideas. So we were not focusing on the negative subject. So since the positive subject here is attitude, it is a singular, so we will use a singular verb, which is the invites. Rule number 20. The expression a number takes a plural verb while the expression the number takes a singular verb. So the phrase a number of should be followed by a plural noun and a plural verb. Okay, for example, a number of objections were raised against the proposal. Okay, since the sentence, let's start with the phrase a number of, and it should be followed by a plural noun, which is the objections, and the verb used is plural, which is the were. Okay, another example. A number of issues is still need to be resolved. Again, a number of issues still need to be resolved. Okay, again, since we use the phrase a number of, or it starts with a phrase of a number of, so the plural noun is issues, and then the plural verb is need. But when the sentence begins with the number of, the verb should be singular. See, for example, the number of available jobs is sinking rapidly. Again, the number of available jobs is sinking rapidly. Okay, this sentence is slightly confusing because of the subject that we use, which is the jobs. Jobs is a plural. But it is said that when the sentence begins with the number of, so since it begins with the number of, so the verb is singular, which is.